Hello everyone, Andre here with a critical update on TPS, the key context, the legal shifts, and what July 10th, 2026 truly means for thousands of families. Let's start with the core issue. On July 10th, 2026, the temporary placeholder extension for work permits, the EADs for certain TPS recipients, expires. This affects TPS holders from countries whose designations were terminated by DHS but kept alive by court orders: Haiti, Syria, Burma, Somalia, Ethiopia, South Sudan, and Yemen. DHS ended TPS for these countries. Courts blocked those terminations. But everything changed on June 25th when the Supreme Court in Mullen v. Doe affirmed DHS's authority to terminate TPS. Lower courts and federal agencies are now aligning with that ruling. On July 1st, USCIS updated its guidance. They replaced the earlier July 1st placeholder with a new date, July 10th, 2026. This is not a full extension. It's limited temporary relief while litigation and DHS actions continue. TPS beneficiaries from these 7 countries still retain their TPS status and employment authorization under existing court orders. Their EADs, categories A12 and C19, remain valid, but the administrative guidance employers rely on ends July 10th. So what happens on July 10th? First, there is no automatic loss of TPS or work authorization just because the placeholder expires. Protections continue as long as court orders remain in place, but the situation is fluid. DHS could move to implement terminations, courts could issue new rulings, USCIS could release new guidance at any moment. For employers, you must continue using July 10th, 2026 as the expiration date on Form 19 and e-verify. Add as per court order in Section 1 and note the country in the additional information box. After July 10th, re-verification depends on new USCIS instructions. Do not assume termination. The SAFE system will show temporary protected status, employment authorized, temp-emp-auth, with authorization through July 10th and a DHS comment referencing the court order. This update does not apply to all TPS countries. El Salvador, Lebanon, Sudan, Ukraine, and others with active designations follow their own timelines. For TPS holders, check your country's USCIS TPS page daily, especially July 8th through 12th. Consult an immigration attorney. Explore other immigration options if you qualify. For employers, monitor I-9 Central, e-verify alerts, and attach the July 1st guidance to your I-9 files. In short, July 10th marks the end of the current administrative buffer.